Dear students, welcome to my channel Do Maths Perfect. This science chapter, compounds, it is suitable for 8th, 9th and 10th also. Definition of compounds. A compound is a pure substance which is formed by the combination of two or more elements in a fixed or definite proportion by mass. I will repeat once again. A compound is a pure substance which is formed by the combination of two or more elements in a fixed proportion by mass. So there are two types of compounds. They are organic compounds and inorganic compounds. Organic compounds are the compounds formed by the plants and animals. These are the sources of organic compounds. For example, carbohydrates, fats, oils, proteins, etc. These are all plant products or animal products. Therefore, organic compounds are formed by the plants and animals. Whereas inorganic compounds, non-living things are the sources of inorganic compounds. For example, baking soda, washing soda, common salt, copper sulfate, etc. like that are the examples for inorganic compounds. So, first let us study the general properties of compounds and then let us take some examples. Properties of compounds. A compound is formed by chemical reaction. All compounds, for example, sodium chloride is a compound. It is formed by the chemical reaction also. I will show afterwards. A compound has fixed melting point. MP means melting point. Here afterwards we are using simply MP, melting point, and boiling point, BP. That means for a particular compound is having a definite melting point and a definite boiling point. And a compound is formed by elements in a definite ratio by mass. Different elements combined in a definite proportion by mass. For example, H2O if we take, they are formed with 1:8 type. I will show afterwards. Let us take some examples of compounds. Simple, water is a compound. Its formula is H2O. Constituents are hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen. 2 atoms of hydrogen means its atomic mass is 2. 1 atom of oxygen means its atomic mass is 16. So, 2 atoms of hydrogen, mass 2, 1 atom of oxygen, mass 16, 2:16, or it is nothing but ratio 1:8. That is the ratio of constituents by mass. Next, common salt or sodium chloride. General name, common salt. NaCl formula. Na, that means sodium, and Cl means chlorine. 1 atom of sodium and 1 atom of chlorine combined to form a compound sodium chloride. 1 atom of sodium mass 23, 1 atom of chlorine mass 35.5. So the mass of constituents in the ratio 23:35.5. Let us come to this third one. Methane is a compound. Name. Its formula CH4, where C means carbon and H means hydrogen. In one molecule of methane, there is one carbon atom and four hydrogen atoms. Therefore, atomic mass of carbon is 12 and 4 atoms of hydrogen mass is 4. Therefore, they combine in the ratio 12 is to 4. That is nothing but simply divide both by 4, that is 3 is to 1. Next, come to the sulfuric acid. Here there are 3 elements. Sulfuric acid, that formula is H2SO4. Hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen. 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of sulfur and 4 atoms of oxygen combines to form sulfuric acid. Therefore, mass ratio is 2 hydrogen atoms, therefore its mass 2 is to 1 sulfur atom, its mass is 32, and 4 oxygen atoms, 16 into 4, that is 64. Therefore, the ratio is 2 is to 32 is to 64. Simply we can say all are divided by 2. So 1 is to 16 is to 32. That is the constituent mass ratio. Next come to carbon monoxide. Formula CO. C means carbon, O means oxygen. So 1 atom of carbon and 1 atom of oxygen combines to form carbon monoxide. Therefore, atomic mass of carbon is 12. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Therefore, the ratio is 12 is to 16. Simply both divide by 4. So 3 is to 4 ratio. Come to the last one, ammonia. Formula is NH3, where N means nitrogen and H means hydrogen. Nitrogen and hydrogen. So 1 atom of nitrogen and 3 atoms of hydrogen combines to form ammonia. So 1 atom atomic mass is 14 and 3 atoms of hydrogen, therefore 14 is to 3. So in this way, the compounds constituent mass are in definite proportions.